Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Rupesh M. Likar, Assistant Professor, Department of Kriya Sharir, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the topic pituitary gland. Pituitary gland or hypophysis is a small endocrine gland with a diameter of 1 centimeter and weight of 0.5 to 1 gram. It is situated in a depression called sella turcica, which is present in the sphenoid bone at the base of skull. It is connected with the hypothalamus by the pituitary stalk or hypophyseal stalk. Pituitary gland is divided into two divisions: anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis and posterior pituitary or neurohypophysis. Both the divisions are situated close to each other. Still, both are entirely different in their development structure and function. Between the two divisions, there is a small and relatively avascular structure called pars intermedia. It forms a part of anterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary consists of three parts: pars distalis, pars tuberalis, pars intermedia. And posterior pituitary consists of three parts: pars nervosa or infundibular process, neural stalk or infundibular stem, medium eminence. Pars tuberalis of anterior pituitary and the neural stalk of posterior pituitary together form the hypophyseal stalk. Hormones of pituitary glands are regulated mainly by hypothalamus. The relationship between hypothalamus and pituitary gland is called hypothalamo-hypophyseal relationship. Hormones secreted by hypothalamus are transported to anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. But the mode of transport of these hormones is different. Hormones from hypothalamus are transported to anterior pituitary through hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal blood vessels. But the hormones from hypothalamus to posterior pituitary are transported by nerve fibers of hypothalamo-hypophyseal tract. Now beginning with anterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary is also known as the master gland because it regulates many other endocrine glands through its hormones. Six hormones are secreted by the anterior pituitary: growth hormone or somatotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone or thyrotropic hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone in female, or interstitial cell stimulating hormone in male, and prolactin. Anterior pituitary has two types of cells which have different staining properties: chromophobe cells and chromophil cells. Chromophobe cells do not possess granules and stain poorly. These cells form 50% of total cell in anterior pituitary. Chromophobe cells are not secretory in nature but are the precursor of chromophil cells. Chromophil cells contain large number of granules and are darkly stained. Chromophil cells are classified by two methods: classification on the basis of staining property and classification on the basis of secretory nature. Chromophil cells are divided into two types: acidophilic cells or alpha cells, which form 35%, and basophilic cells or beta cells, which form 15%. According to secretory nature, chromophil cells are classified into five types: somatotrophs, which secrete growth hormone; corticotrophs, which secrete adrenocorticotropic hormone; thyrotrophs, which secrete thyroid stimulating hormone; and gonadotrophs, which secrete follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Also, lectotrophs, which secrete prolactin. Somatotrophs and lectotrophs are acidophilic cells, whereas other are basophilic cells. Somatotrophs form about 30 to 40% of chromophil cells. So pituitary tumors that secrete large quantities of human growth hormone are called acidophilic tumors. Hypothalamus controls anterior pituitary by secreting the releasing and inhibitory hormones, which are called neurohormones. These hormones from hypothalamus are transported anterior pituitary through hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal vessels. Releasing and inhibitory hormones secreted by hypothalamus are: first, growth hormone releasing hormone, which stimulates the release of growth hormone; second, growth hormone releasing polypeptide, which stimulates the release of growth hormone releasing hormone and growth hormone; third, growth hormone inhibitory hormone or somatostatin, which inhibits the growth hormone release; fourth, thyrotropic releasing hormone, which stimulates the release of thyroid stimulating hormone; fifth, corticotropic releasing hormone, which stimulates the release of adrenocorticotropin; sixth, gonadotropin releasing hormone, which stimulates the release of gonadotropin, FSH and LH; and seven, prolactin hormone, prolactin inhibitory hormone, which inhibits prolactin secretion. Next is posterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary is made up of neural type of cells called pituocytes and unmyelinated nerve fibers. Pituocytes are the fusiform cells derived from glial cells. These cells have several processes and brown pigment granules. Pituocytes act as supporting cell and do not secrete any hormone. Unmyelinated nerve fibers come from supraoptic and paraventricular nuclei of the hypothalamus through the pituitary stalk. Other structures of posterior pituitary has numerous blood vessels, hyaline bodies, neuroglial cells, and mast cells. Hormones of posterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary hormones are: first, antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin, and second, oxytocin. Actually, the posterior pituitary does not secrete any hormone. ADH and oxytocin are synthesized in the hypothalamus. From hypothalamus, these two hormones are transported to the posterior pituitary through the nerve fibers of hypothalamo-hypophyseal tract by means of axonic flow. Proteins involved in transport of these hormones are called neurophycins. In the posterior pituitary, these hormones are stored at the nerve endings. Whenever the impulse from hypothalamus reaches the posterior pituitary, these hormones are released from the nerve ending into the circulation. Hence, these two hormones are called neurohormones. So here we end our topic pituitary gland, in which we study division of pituitary gland, parts of pituitary gland, hormones secreted by pituitary gland, regulation of hormones secreted by pituitary gland. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.